Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Steam games on a mobile without a PC. So first I want you to go to your browser, go to nvidia.com, and I want you to log in. You can of course log in with Google as well. And once you have logged in, okay, we want to head to GeForce Now. Head to the GeForce Now section and return to the GeForce Now app on your phone because we are going to be using its cloud capabilities to do gaming. Basically streams the game from your Steam account that you own on a GeForce Now and you're able to play them. Okay? So here you can see all your games, and if you don't see them, just tap here on the top left to access the settings, and you just come here, make sure you are signed in to your Steam account, okay, and make sure you are synced, and then you'll be able to play the games. And choose a server location that is closest to you. You can choose a streaming quality depending on your internet connection. And let's go back to games, and you can play any of these games on your phone on the cloud, basically. That's where the games will be running, but you'll be playing using your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.